Maker 3D printer. It makes all the things you do with your printer more reliable, enjoyable, and affordable. A full metal body and industrial outlook highlight its premium design. Along with the metal body, all major components are CNC machined from aluminum alloys to boost the precision and capacity. Then they go through the anodized process to obtain a protective oxide layer. The all-metal designed Snapmaker focuses on every detail to consistently deliver the very best result. Snapmaker also features an innovative modular design, giving you an easy setup of 10 parts in only 10 minutes, which is the best ever on a 3D printer. It comes with easy-to-use software. Simply drag and drop a model into it and click Start. You do the design and let the Snapmaker do the rest. It's hassle-free from start to finish. High-performance Snapmaker lets you tinker and explore in unique and exciting ways, giving you the most enjoyable experience all the time. Now, there's no need to focus on a fixed screen. You can check and control all settings using its movable and intuitive touchscreen in your hand. Snapmaker also features expanded options of laser engraving and CNC carving. With interchangeable heads, Snapmaker can be easily transformed into a laser engraver that sparks your creativity. And CNC carving machine that lets your imaginations run wild. Snapmaker is versatile, inspiring you to create in more ways. We're very excited about what we've built so far and want to invite you to enjoy the creative life with us. Therefore, the Snapmaker 3D